Hi everyone, it's Jose here from Moduurn. Um, in this video I want to show you how to take advantage of the landing pages using the template 2, which is mostly images. So for this one I want to go to the location level to create a landing page at that level, and I'm going to choose the Moduurn Cafe demo. From here I go, just like with the organization, I go to configurations, and there I choose the tab that says landing page. I create a new landing page, and in this case we've shown you how to use the template 1. We're going to use template 2. It's mostly images, so in this case we're going to choose a really nice image that, and this is important to note, that has the bottom with a color scheme that allows for text and a good contrast. In this case, this one does, and I'm going to use the same image for both desktop and mobile. Oh, it fits. Perfect. So the second half, the bottom half, is where the text will go. So in this case, we're gonna offer to new users a $10 off of any order. So I have the header, and then I add the call to action of the button. Because it's only a header, you need to take advantage of this space really well. So to make contrast, I'm gonna go with white. All right, it shows up. And then I'm going to create the call to action of the button. I'm going to choose a very contrasting color, like a green or something. This is just to show you. I remember that you got to have a link to activate the button itself. It shows up. I'm going to continue playing with the colors until it looks that's something that people are going to click on. And then I'm going to save. Simple as that. Then from all these landing pages, I look for the one I just created and I click publish. At that point, if I want to see how it looks, I go into incognito, Moduurn Cafe, boom, and then I go to the Moduurn Cafe demo v2. Oops, let's open this a little bit. There it is, our new landing page. New users get $10 off. Get me the $10 off, and it takes you to the deals page where you can actually take advantage of this. Just to remind you, when you create these deals and it's for first-time users or anybody that wants to take advantage of a promo code or coupon, when they click apply, it's going to request that they register. So it's a really powerful way to capture their emails and continue communicating with them with more offers through email, so that they keep coming and to enjoy more of your delicious food. This is it. For more questions and how to do things with your Moduurn system, don't forget to visit support.moduurn.com or email support@moduurn.com. Our toll-free as well, extension 2. Thank you.